Hello, guys. Welcome back to our 365 days Canva Design Challenge. And today we are on our day 4. And our chosen topic for today will be about creating your own poster on Canvas. So if you're excited to this topic, let's hop onto my screen. So earlier today, I decided to create this poster and share with you guys how I did it. So just a quick background why posters are really important on our design journey is because this poster is our way of promoting a certain event, a certain course, or anything that we launch online. It could also be part of your email sequences or even posted on your websites or on your social medias. So right now, I had a sample here. It's like promoting a yoga class and announcing the schedule. And yeah, so let's go and start designing this poster. So first, I'm gonna choose a picture that is, attractive to the eye of your market. So the good thing about uh, Canva is that when you go to the interface on the left side, all you have to do is like type on yoga, and then all these beautiful shots are already there. So I'm gonna select this picture again. So let's say this is your chosen picture. So there you go. So make sure it is at the center. Yeah, and it is zoomed enough. Okay.
The
So what I
illusion that
would
I
like
want
to
to
create
create
is
is
that
that
her legs is going past through the letter O. So how do you do that in designing in Canva? So I'm just gonna duplicate this picture and then remove the background. So effects, go to effects and then click remove background. Do is wait for it to load and then you should be good to go. Okay. So usually if you can see there's still some things that are not removed in your photo for a cleaner um, PNG type of image, all you have to do is go to erase and then erase them like this. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. um, because sometimes the background remover isn't perfect. Okay, so let's say you already removed those excess things. So all you have to do is make sure that you will match the background and this PNG photo with a transparent background. So if you can see, we just have to align the body to the design. Okay. Let's say it's already aligned. Um, all that you have to do is crop this until it reaches his edge of the letter O. So what it would look like is that the leg part is um, already on the inside letter O. So next would be since it's yoga, the letter G and letter A. So I'm gonna copy that and go to GA. So I can just make this the same color as this one. Okay. I just would like to separate the G and the A so it's not complicated for me. Mm, okay. So let's say the letter G. How did I do it earlier? Is it at the back? Okay, it's at the back of the design. So send letter G to the back. So position that back. There you go. And letter A will be here. So there. Now you can see it's not yet center. So what I'm gonna do is adjust this one. Group and okay. Let's say we did it already. So the next would be the words that I'm putting up is yoga classes. So I'm just gonna copy this one and put that in front of the lady. Okay, so there you go. And usually I would add like a simple logo at the upper center of the design. So what I did here is just I go to, so let's say for example this is your yoga logo, but if you have like a company logo, you can just add that a little later. So let me put that position that center, not middle. So let's say I'm gonna change the color there, and then I just invented a company name, which is this one. If you're gonna uh, zoom that, it's called the Health and Wellness Studio. So if you're gonna originally it was like this straight line, and then what they added is to make the logo um, more precise. I just added a curve design for the text so that it would go and blend with the shape of the logo. So let's say we're gonna curve this one. There you go. And then our template logo will be at the center. So there you go. And then I'm gonna add this Monday to Friday here. Monday to Friday here in this part. And then let's say for example we also have a time slot when the yoga class is open. So there you go. And then usually since it could be as simple as this, just put on a line at the bottom, but in order to add more flow to the design, usually I would add some blob elements. So these are examples of blob elements. So if you would like to know how to go there, all you have to do is go to elements and search the word blob. Okay. So there are a lot of free form shape in here. So let's say for example we have chosen this blob effect. Okay. So when it's not zoomed in, this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add like a little frame at the bottom, so it would have a flow for the poster. So let's zoom that in, and then usually I would add another one and then tilt it a little bit and change the color into this and send it back. So it would look like this. So you can still add a lot more information at the bottom, but usually it could be as simple as your website. So there you go. You can add more design, or I mean, you can add more details. But for me, if it's a simple poster, I'd rather put them more on the caption rather than on the poster itself, so that you give way to your design to make it breathe. Usually, what we do is like we put a lot of elements, a lot of shapes, a lot of text until it becomes crowded and it's not pleasing into the eyes of those who are viewing your post. So it could be as simple as this. Thank you and see you tomorrow for our day number 5.